Hey y'all ready for dinner? So tonight we are having garlic butter steak with a little reappearance from that garlic butter lemon salmon from last night. Yeah. And then we got some roasted, what's this? Broccoli. And I put onions in it. That's not in the recipe, but I wanted onions. And then some roasted sweet potatoes, okay? Let's eat and then we're going to read. These are definitely making an appearance tonight because I don't eat that. We got to get this all. Pepsi time. Now let's talk about it. That garlic butter sauce was phenomenal. The steak was cooked to perfection. It was a super thick, pretty thick cut piece of steak. And that is why I had my handy associate China right here, who's always willing to help, on standby. Seasoned to perfection. Didn't even need the A1 sauce that was on standby as well. Just needed her to eat the fat and it was good. I give that steak a 8 out of 10. Next, let's talk about those sweet potatoes. Those roasted sweet potatoes was everything. They was kind of crunchy on the outside, soft and soft and creamy on the inside. I did not expect that, but for it to be an official Pepsi, I have to keep that in there, okay? Back to those potatoes. I will tell you that I did not follow the official recipe for the potatoes. I did add the Kind Master, or what is it, like Kin Master maple brown sugar seasoning on top of everything else that will be in the recipe, and I'll have that recipe in the description, so look for it, guys. The last thing was the broccoli. Now, the broccoli was also roasted. Now, I know what you're going to say. All that roasted shit. Listen, it beats fried. It beats oiled up, right? And if you want to get in shape, if you want to also kind of like kill two birds with one stone, roast as much as you can. You'd be surprised what tastes good roasted. And those roasted broccoli pieces with the onions was actually good. And I did add a little bit to that too. I did add some Cajun seasoning, which made it all the better. But I should have stayed plain because it kind of took away from the theme of tonight's meal, which was a restaurant house steak. I give that broccoli a smooth 6.5 out of 10. Now, the last thing that we want to talk about is, did we talk about the steakhouse? Oh yeah, that salmon. Yeah, it made its reappearance tonight. And you know how things taste so much better when they warmed up the next day. It was a 8, just like last night. So all in all, I would give this meal a 8.5. It was nice and flavorful. The garlic butter really, it put me in the mind of eating like crab legs or something like that. It was real good on that steak. And I will say, using a skillet definitely puts the sear on it like you want. It puts the char around that little crust that you like on the steak. It was nice and flavorful. Like everything was just on point tonight. And the best thing is, for me to have ate a whole big steak like that, I do not feel bloated. I don't feel, stuffed and oversaturated. Literally, I can go and get some dessert. So I might make a part 2 for tonight's dinner. Since it's Friday, I might live a little. But if you like this dinner, make sure you save it. Let me know how you like it in the comments because I want to know what you did, if you changed anything, if you stuck to the theme. Okay, and I'll see you next time. Peace.